Very warm good morning, kids. Welcome to the science class. Today we are going to study from Environmental Studies Looking Around. Our today's topic is chapter number 18, Too Much Water, Too Little Water. Before starting with the chapter, let us see aims of the lesson. To learn effects of unclean water, to learn about diseases caused by polluted water, to realize the importance of water. What comes to your mind when I say the word water? Yes, there are different sources like rivers, lakes, ponds. Yes, water is important for survival. It is required for all the activities. There are different forms of water: solid, liquid, and gaseous. There is scarcity of water as we had read in previous chapter, and we need to save water. Now it's time to see one very interesting video to realize the importance of water.
Water, water everywhere, water here and water there. Water, water everywhere, water here and water there. If we will not save it, what shall we drink and eat? If we will not save it, what shall we drink and eat? So let us all take a vow to save water somehow. So let us all take a vow to save water somehow.
Let us start with a case study of Saguna. This story is basically of Andhra Pradesh. Saguna was reading her book when she heard someone at the door. She saw that there was a visitor from a city. Her father welcomed the guest and told Selva to bring cold drink for him. But guest refused for the cold drink. He asked for a glass of water. Now do you know, kids, what happened? Father said, "These days we are not getting water that is fit for drinking. It does not even look clean. We have to drink it because we don't have any choice. But it is better if you don't drink it." So, what do you think, kids? Why water was unfit for drinking? Yes, it is due to water pollution. What is water pollution? I hope you remember chapter number 13, the river's tale. In that chapter, we had discussed in detail about water pollution. Let us recall it very quickly. Contamination of water due to harmful substances is known as water pollution. There are many causes of water pollution, like throwing the garbage in rivers and oceans, washing clothes in river water, disposal of industrial waste in rivers, and disposal of sewage and wastewater in rivers. So kids, these are some causes of water pollution. It is spreading in large amount because of different human activities, and we humans are responsible for water pollution. Who can solve this problem? It can be solved by us only. And how? Like by not throwing the garbage in rivers, not washing the clothes, not disposing the industrial waste in rivers, and etc., etc., etc. Okay. Now let us have a look on another case study of Bazar Gaon that is situated in Maharashtra. With the help of this story, we will come to know about another problem that is related to water. There was a big water park near Bazar Gaon. One day, Rohan and Reena went with their parents to water park. There were many water fountains. They were very happy and excited to take rides in the water. They were very happy and they were enjoying. They were observing children were sliding down and they were landing in water with a loud splash. Rohan got into the swing and they both started enjoying. But just then they heard lot of noise and loud voices which were coming from outside the park. They wondered what happened and they went near the gate. There a woman was standing. She replied angrily, "Do you know what had happened? You ask us what is the matter. Our wells do not have any water, right? And even we get tanker from the board come once a week. So today we haven't received that tanker and there is no water in our area." With the help of this story, we basically conclude different importance of water. We all know we cannot survive without drinking water. It is required for almost every day-to-day activity, including brushing, bathing, washing clothes, and cooking, etc. It is also essential for removing waste from our body. So, water is like gold to us. It is very precious and we should conserve it. Many parts of India are facing scarcity of water, as we had seen in this story. Water scarcity means it is lack of fresh water resources to meet the standard water demand. Do you know, kids? There is only 3% of water that is available as a fresh water, and 2/3 of the water is unavailable for use. As a result, 1.1 billion people worldwide lack access to the water. They do not have water. They cannot get access to the water. And total 2.7 billion people find water as scarce because they are facing the problem of water shortage. Now we are going to discuss another story that is of Kufr Paradi situated in Mumbai. It will highlight one more problem that people face due to shortage of water. Deepak had gone with his mother to Razia Madam's house. His mother worked there. The house was quiet and cool and shining clean. Razia was reading a newspaper. She smiled when she saw Deepak and asked him if it is holiday that day. So She switched on the TV and Deepak was enjoying watching TV. Suddenly, Razia Madam called out his mother and asked that in the newspaper there was a highlight that gutter water had got mixed with the water in the drinking water pipes in this area. That's why many people are suffering from diarrhea and vomiting. That and also she asked, "Why don't you throw away the water that was filled yesterday? Put some fresh water to boil for drinking." And asked her to take some water with her so that she could not face the problem of water scarcity. By listening this, Deepak was very happy. He thought, at least today, I will not have to stand in the queue for us to get the water for their house, because there is shortage of water, there is scarcity of water. People have to stand in a queue for longer hours and they have to wait for their turn to come and they can get some water. But kids, our small efforts can conserve lots of water. For example, turn off the tap while brushing, repair the leaking taps, use the bucket instead of shower while bathing. Do you know what kind of diseases we can face due to dirty water? We can suffer from typhoid, cholera, jaundice, and diarrhea. These are waterborne diseases. Basically, in this chapter, one disease is described, that is diarrhea. Diarrhea is a disease caused due to dirty water. Frequent passing of waste from body is called diarrhea. What precautions we can take to prevent ourselves from diarrhea? Or else, what we can do when we are suffering from diarrhea? We should drink lots of water. We must intake light food because our stomach become weak. Even we should consult doctors because the advice of doctor is very important. One more thing we can do, we can drink ORS solution. Do you know how we can make ORS solution at home itself? Okay, let us do this activity. You all are going to make ORS solution with me. Take a glass of boiled and cooled water. Add pinch of salt. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Mix it well. Your ORS solution is ready. It's time to refer dictionary. First word is shriek, an expression with sound of fear. Sentence: Ram gave a shriek of surprise when he was sitting on a swing. Second word is clinging. It means hanging. Sentence: a little boy was clinging on his mother. Next word is crowd, a group of people. There was a big crowd to see Shah Rukh Khan. Next word is shortage. It means when something is less in quantity as per the requirement. Sentence: In summers, there is shortage of water in some areas. Next word is diarrhea. It means loose motions. Sentence: I could not attend the classes as I was suffering from diarrhea. Next word is survey. It means to record the observation. The government did a survey to check how many people are vaccinated. Next word is panchayat. It means a group of 5 members in the village who take decisions. Sentence: everyone has to listen to the panchayat. Last word is remedies. It means treatment. My grandmother knows many home remedies. So kids, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Thank you.